The autumn season in Seoul is short, but for a few special weeks, the city transforms into something magical. With whole streets glowing in shades of red and gold, it's truly one of the most beautiful times of year to explore the city. Last year, we shared 5 of the most famous spots like Namsan Tower and Gyeongbok Palace, but Seoul is filled with lesser-known places where the fall colors are just as breathtaking. From quiet palaces and city parks to hidden hiking trails and scenic streets, in this video, we will be sharing 5 more of the best destinations to experience autumn in Seoul this year. Children's Grand Park in Seoul isn't just for kids, it's actually one of the most underrated spots to see autumn leaves in the city. This massive park transforms in November with golden ginkgo trees and fiery red maples lining its walking paths. It's the kind of place where you can wander slowly, find quiet corners, and take in the colors without the heavy crowds you'll see at some of the more famous spots. The park itself is huge. There are gardens, ponds, open lawns, and even a small zoo. But the real highlight in autumn is simply strolling under the canopy of leaves. Families come here for picnics, couples for a relaxed date, and photographers love it because the wide open spaces make it easy to capture the scale of the season. The best part? Admission is completely free. So whether you want to spend an hour or an entire afternoon, Children's Grand Park is one of the easiest ways to experience Seoul's autumn at its peak. Seoul Forest is one of the city's most beautiful escapes, and in autumn, it feels like stepping into a living painting. Located in the popular district of Songdong-gu, this park blends beautiful nature with art, design, and plenty of open green spaces. In October and November, the tree-lined avenues explode with color, once again with bright yellow ginkgo groves, crimson red maples, and even stretches of birch trees that give the park a completely different character depending on where you walk. Unlike some of the larger, busier parks, Seoul Forest has a quieter, more modern vibe, with boardwalks, bike paths, and even a deer enclosure tucked away inside. It's a favorite for locals who want to slow down, whether that's families out for a weekend stroll or young people looking for the perfect autumn backdrop. Because the park is connected to trendy cafes and galleries nearby, you can easily pair your visit with coffee, dessert, or plenty of shopping, making it more than just a quick stop, it's a whole afternoon experience. For anyone chasing fall colors in Seoul, Seoul Forest offers one of the most balanced experiences: natural beauty, city energy, and plenty of space to enjoy the season. Doksu Palace is one of the most atmospheric places in Seoul to see the changing leaves in autumn. Smaller and more intimate than Gyeongbok Palace, it has a calm, almost romantic atmosphere, with ancient palace halls set against towering trees that blaze red, orange, and yellow in October and November. The highlight isn't just inside the gates. Running along the back of the palace is the famous Stonewall Road, a winding street lined with ginkgo trees that turns into a golden tunnel of light in the fall. It's a favorite walking spot for couples, and one of the most photographed autumn streets in the city. Because Doksu Palace sits right in the middle of downtown, you get the striking contrast of royal architecture, colorful leaves, and skyscrapers rising just beyond the palace walls. Whether you spend an hour wandering the palace grounds or stroll hand in hand down the Stonewall Road, Doksu Palace offers one of the most charming and memorable autumn experiences in Seoul. Sokchon Lake is the kind of autumn destination where modern architecture, seasonal beauty, and peaceful relaxation meet. Set right next to the towering Lotte World Tower, this twin lake park feels calm and scenic, even though it's surrounded by the city's energy. This twin lake park, divided into east and west lakes, is surrounded by maple and ginkgo trees that blaze in fiery reds and golds each October and November. Couples often sit on the benches watching the leaves drift across the lake, while locals take slow strolls or morning jogs. Photographers love it here because the skyline and foliage blend together in one shot. You can capture the beauty of nature with Seoul's tallest skyscraper in the background. The atmosphere is lively but never overwhelming. On weekends, you might hear live music by the waterfront or see families enjoying snacks from nearby cafes. The East Lake area even connects to a cozy cafe street where you can warm up with coffee right after your walk. What makes Seoul Lake so special in autumn is the balance. Bright colors, peaceful waters, and the dramatic contrast of modern Seoul right beside it. If you're looking for a true mountain escape without leaving the city, Gwanak Mountain is one of the best places to see Seoul's autumn colors. Located on the southern edge of the city, it's a popular hiking destination with trails that wind past temples, streams, and dramatic rock formations. In late October and November, the slopes come alive with fiery reds and deep golds, stretching out in every direction as you climb higher. The views from the ridges are spectacular. You'll see the city skyline framed by a sea of autumn leaves, a reminder of just how close nature is to urban life here. Hiking Gwanak Mountain can be as easy or as challenging as you like. Some trails are gentle enough for a weekend walk, while others lead to sharp peaks and sweeping views. What makes it special in autumn is the mix. Quiet forest paths, bursts of color at every turn, and then the reward of breathtaking views when you've reached the top. Autumn in Seoul is something you don't forget, whether it's walking through palace courtyards, strolling down golden streets, or climbing into the mountains for sweeping views. Each neighborhood and park has its own way of showing off the season's colors, and together they create a city that feels alive. We just share with you 5 fantastic locations to see the beauty of autumn, but the fun doesn't stop there. As always, we are dedicated to helping you explore all the wonderful things Seoul has to offer and more. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. If you've got any favorite autumn spots in Seoul, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time here at the Seoul Scene.